What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are doing well. I got a lot of requests on this video. A lot of people are wanting to know how I edit, how we're doing, how we're editing these videos, how we're making TikTok videos, how we're making Instagram content. I want you guys to watch this video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it within a couple minutes, man. You're going to be able to make a clip, pop it, smack it, clip it, put it on Instagram, get some likes, and freaking keep going with your day. All right, let's hop over to there. So we're going to be working with this clip. So this is how we're going to be doing a TikTok clip. This is going to make it super simple. You can post this on TikTok, Facebook, Twitch, anywhere. Not Twitch, but any platform. So watch. Basically what I do is I get my clip. I put 3 copies of the clip. So we're going to put 3 copies, and we're editing on Adobe Premiere. So we're going to put 3 clips, right? So this is going to be the main key right here. You got to go, so on Adobe Premiere, you look for sequence. I'm going to be making a video for DaVinci Resolve as well. Once you go to there, you go to sequence settings. And this is going to be the sweet spot. So this is where you need to put it at. So you need to put frame size 1080 by 1920. So you do 1080 by 1920. So what this does, basically it puts everything in a format of being able to fit right on a phone. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and give me a second. Let me just spread this out a little bit. So you're going to have 3 clips. So you're going to have 3 clips. And I'm going to explain right now exactly where all the clips are. So the top clip is going to be obviously my cam. So that's going to be my cam. That's going to show basically everything on it. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with that. So we're going to go ahead and click. So once you got that up, basically what we're going to do is we're going to move over to your effects control, and we're going to get the opacity so we can crop out that camera. So what I'm going to do is you're going to go ahead and click over here on the left side, crop over. And this is if you want to crop your camera. If you don't, then you just have to skip this part. So you go ahead and you crop it out. You can move it as it pleasing to your camera. My camera's a little bit bigger. Got a little bit more stuff on it, so I have to move it a little bit. And that's gonna be my camera right there. So my camera's ready to go. Okay, cool. So we got the camera done. Oh, didn't want to move that too much. All right, cool. So we got the camera done. So the camera's cropped, so we don't have to worry about the camera anymore. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and center the gameplay. That's how you center the gameplay. We're gonna go ahead and put our cam up here. That's where I normally put it. And then your background's gonna be your blur. Normally what I do is I just look up in my effects, I look up compound blur. And that basically is gonna blur just the background a little bit. And we got a TikTok clip. So within 3 minutes, we were able to make a TikTok clip. And I'll let you guys hear it up so you guys can check it out. Watch, here we go. Sorry. That's Discord. We don't want Discord. And this is going to be the clip. So this is just a quick little clip that I got.
Oh, that's a different team.
Bro, I'm fucking twice. And that's basically it. So the clip is really easy to make.
Oh, that's a different team.
There you go. That's it. So basically this clip, you could post it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Reels, any of those locations. I'm going to go over it one more time. Take a little bit slower though. So you guys could just make sure you guys understood everything. So the way I do it is basically I put 3 copies of the clip. So right here, 3 copies of the clip. Reason being is one's going to be your camera, one's going to be the gameplay, and then one's going to be the background. You don't always have to put 3 clips. You could always put something else as your background. You can put a picture, anything you like. Once you put the 3 clips, you're going to go ahead and go to sequence settings. Make sure frame size is 1080 by 1920. You just hit OK. The last part is going to your effects control on Adobe. If you have a camera. If you don't, you just ignore it. You do effects. Opacity is going to let you crop your camera, and then you center how you want it, and you're basically good to go, and you got a clip ready to go for TikTok, Instagram, and all your socials. So here you go. So if you guys have any questions, comment in the section. Let me know what you guys think. If I explained it incorrectly or too quickly, let me know. I will make more videos. I am going to be at your guys' total disposal to make this. I am going to be making a video on DaVinci as well. So that's going to be the next video we're going to be making there as well, okay? Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for the love. Like, comment, sub to the channel, and always have an amazing day. Hundos loves you guys, and I hope you guys have a good one, okay? Take care.